What's going on, guys? Evan Outdoors coming back to you with another banger video. Today we are doing a gun review on the good old Remington 870. This is a 20 gauge. Everyone knows these guns. Super common. It's like everyone's first gun. We are doing a gun review on this today. Just like the other ones, I don't know how to rip any of these down. I've never ripped them down before. I'll show you guys how to put it back together. You put it together the same way you take it apart, so you guys will be able to figure out how to take it apart. I'm sure you just pop these pins out and it's just like any other ordinary shotgun. But I'm going to take this thing apart quick and then we'll get right back to you guys when we got all the pieces taken apart. Alright guys, I finally got this thing ripped down. Typical for a shotgun, basically the same parts as any other shotgun would. My dad's little custom plug he has in here. Just a piece of wood. You got your barrel, which connects to your gun itself. Look at, there's like grass down in there, if you guys can see that. There's literally grass down in there. The last time this thing has been cleaned, it's probably been quite some time. You got your spring. My dad's custom plug he put in there. And then the little cap that goes up over the top. Your cap. You got your foregrip. That pumps. That's even pretty dirty. Trigger mechanism. Look how dirty that is. Thing is caked. Full of like duckweed and stuff like that, looks like. And then you got your two pins that go right there in the gun to keep everything in line. And then your bolt carrier. You got all that. So I'm gonna clean this thing and then I'll get back to you guys when I got it cleaned and I'm gonna put it back together. Alright guys, so I finally got this thing ripped down. Made a boo-boo while I was doing that. I know I could have ripped the bolt assembly down more to the fire pin and all that, but I didn't want to do that. That's why this power blast comes in handy. I'm almost out. I'm gonna have to pick up some more before I clean any more guns. But anyways, you got your bolt assembly here in your foregrip. You want to put this little piece down those little grooves. If you can see that. That just pops right in there. Just like that, just sits right in there. Okay, then you got your bolt here. Just keep those on. Here, you might as well stick this tube in first before you put this in. Work a lot easier. Okay, and you just slide that down. There's these two little grooves down here that you gotta line up with this gun. There's two little grooves down here. So make sure this is sitting in here. And I know normally on 870s you can just slide them right in and use these two buttons, but this thing is a pain in the arse. I don't know if it's because it's such an old 870 or what, but it is not cooperating one bit. Alright guys, I had to push that really hard. The right side button on this thing is like very, very sticky. But these two pins on the side here, if you got a new 870, you just push these and it should just slide right in. It shouldn't be that hard. This thing, I don't know, probably because it's old, but anyways, after you get your bolt in and your pump back on, you can take your spring, your little cap, put that down your tube. It should slide all the way to the bottom. Put your spring back in. Watch your eyes, people. Okay. Put that in. Dad's little custom plug. You can put your plug back in if you got a regular plug. And you put this little piece back on that holds your spring in. There we go. And then you take your trigger mechanism here after you got your pump back in, your spring in. You get your trigger mechanism back up in here. And that should just pop right in. Okay, then you want to line it up. Make sure she goes in all the way. Then you take your big pin. Everything should be lined up. That should go in. Then you can ride that to the rear. Slide your barrel back in, as so. And then finish by putting this cap on the end. Twist it till she's tight. And that's how you reassemble a Remington 870. Alright guys, so I got my 870 here. Some pros and cons about this. Honestly, these 870s, if you guys have ever had one, you all know that they're reliable. They are the most reliable shotgun on the market. These things do not quit. But that's like every pump shotgun you get. The pros that I like about this thing, I haven't used this thing a lot. I started off with it when I was a kid, and I used it like my first time out duck hunting. I used it, but shot nice for me. The only time I'd ever jam is if I messed up the pump, you know. That's with like every shotgun, you know. I don't kick because it's a 20 gauge. I know regular 12 gauge 870s kick like mules. Shoots nice. I didn't have no problems with it. It came apart nice other than these two pins, but I'm sure it's just because the shotgun's old. Another thing I like about this thing is these barrels come out and you can put on a slug barrel. You just slide this off, slide it back on. I'm not sure how many chokes they have. Make sure when you guys put your chokes on, there's a reason why I haven't put mine in yet. Make sure you put Vaseline on here. So like I said in my other video, my cousin's choke got stuck in his gun, so make sure you put Vaseline on here and clean your chokes every once in a while. But otherwise, all around, they're great guns. The only thing I don't like about this thing is the wood. I mean, I don't like wood. It chips real easy. Like you can see on the stock how it's all chipped pretty bad. All around, great gun. If you guys are looking for a starter gun and you ain't got a lot of money, this is definitely the way to go. The old Remington 870. It'll kill if it wants to kill. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys, and it will help you guys if you guys have to take apart an 870 and put it back together. Otherwise, the people that are here just to watch me take apart and put these things back together and look like an idiot. Hope you guys enjoy them. You guys know the deal. Smash the like button, share the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment what you thought. Don't forget to stay happy, people, and we'll see you on the next one. We out. Peace.